Sean Khalifa, man.
2 Chainz. Money's the motivation, money's the conversation. You on vacation, we getting paid, so we on vacation. I did it for the fam. It's whatever we had to do, it's just who I am. Yeah, it's the life I chose. Gunshots in the dark, one eye closed, and we got it cooking like a one-eye stove. You can catch me kissing my girl with both eyes closed. Yeah, perfecting my passion, thanks for asking. Couldn't slow down, so we had to crash it. You use plastic, we bout cash. I see some people ahead that we gon' pass, yeah.
I never fear death or dying. I only fear never trying. I am whatever I am. Only God can judge me now. One shot, everything rides on tonight. Even if I've got 3 strikes, I'ma go for it. This moment, we own it. I'm not to be played with, because it could get dangerous. See these people I ride with. This moment, we own it.
And the same ones that I ride with be the same ones that I die with. Put it all out on the line with. If you're looking for me, you can find wit in the new car or the crown with. My new broad, that's a fine chick, and the weather squad I'm down with. Ain't no way around it. What you say, tell me what you say. Working hard, repping for my dogs. Do this every day, taking off, looking out for all, making sure we ball like the mob. All you do is call, catch you if you fall. Young Khalifa.
I never fear death or dying. I only fear never trying. I am whatever I am. Only God can judge me now. One shot, everything rides on tonight. Even if I've got 3 strikes, I'ma go for it. This moment, we own it.
I ride or die
not to
for
be
mine.
played with, because it could get dangerous. See,
I ride
these
or die
people
for
I
mine.
ride with. This moment, we
go.
own it.
This the biggest day of my life, we got big guns. Been graduated from knives, it's the day of our life, and I'm ready to ride. Got the spirit, I'm feeling like a kill inside. Financial outbreak, I'm free, but I ain't out yet. Ride with the plug, so I'm close to the outlet. At the red light rim, sitting offset. I look better on your girl than her outfit.
Stuck to the plan. Always said that we would stand up, never ran. We the fam and loyalty never change up. Been down since day one, look at where we came from. Jumping out on anybody who try to say something. One thing about it, got a problem, I got the same one. Money rolls, we fold. Plenty clubs, we close. Follow the same code. Never turn our backs, our cars don't even lose control.
One shot, everything rides on tonight. Even if I've got 3 strikes, I'ma go for it. This moment, we own it.
I ride or die
Not to
for
be
mine.
played with, because it could get dangerous. See,
I ride
these
or die
people
for
I
mine.
ride with. This moment, we own it. This moment, we own it.
I ride or die for mine. I'm ride or die material. One life to live, so here we go.
This moment, we own it.
First verse, I'm armed till I'm on an island. My life's riding on an autobahn, on autopilot. Before I touch dirt or kill y'all with kindness, I kill ya. My natural persona's much worse. You've been warned if you've been born or if you conform. Slap up a cop and then snatch him out of his uniform. Leave him with his socks, hard bottoms, and bloomers on, and hanging by his balls from the horn of a unicorn. Y'all niggas intellect mad slow, y'all fags know. Claiming you banging, you flaming. Bet you can light your own cigarette with your asshole. Me and Shady dead at the past, so that basically resurrected my cash flow. I might rap tight as the snatch of a fat dyke, though I ain't rap tight. My blood type's the 80s, my 90s was like the Navy, you was like the Brady's. You still fly kites daily.
Catch me in my Mercedes, bumping ice, baby screaming Shady till I die. Like I have a paradise, life's crazy, so I live it till the fullest, till I'm Swayze and you only live it once. So I'm thinking about this nice land, wait, don't stop me now before I get on a roll. Let me tell you what this
I made a pact with the devil that says I'll let you take me, you let me take a shovel, dig up the corpse of Jack Kevorkian. Go back and forfeit, more beef than you can pack a fork in. I'm living the life of the infinite enemy down. My tenement chimney now, the semi-serenity pal. Spin them around, entering in the vicinity.
Now it's called him in, but he threw away the candy and ate the rap. I chewed him up and spitted him out. Cockety up, now get down. He's looking around this club and it looks like people are having a shit fit now. Yeah, little trailer trash, take a look who's back into the town. To the sister, stun a motherfucker, fuck them all. He's just the whole motherfucking Walmart, get it down. Every time he comes up round. And he came to the club tonight with 5'9" to hold this bitch down. Like a motherfucking chick in the water, he's trying to drown. Shorty, when you dance, you got me captivated. Just by the way that you keep licking them dicks like a lips, I'm agitated, aggravated. To the point you don't suck my dick, then you're gonna get decapitated. Other words, you don't fucking give me head, then I'ma have to take it.
And after taking that, I'ma catch your case, it's gonna be fascinating. This gon' say the whole rap game passed away on top of the affidavit. Graduated from master debater / massive masturbator to Michael Jackson's activator. Meaning I'm on fire off the top, might wanna back up data. Rolling over hip-hop in a verbal tractor trailer. Homie, they sick, you can normally ask a hater. Don't it make sense? These shell cases, it's just like a bag of paper dropped in the lap of a tax evader. Homie, they spit.
And I make that ass drop like a sack of potatoes. What girl on the cracker later? Percolator, this party, be my penis ejaculator later. Tell your boyfriend that you just struck paid it. You're rolling with a player, you won't be exaggerating when you say it.
Living life in the fast lane, moving at the speed of life and I can't slow down. Only got a gallon in the gas tank, but I'm almost at the finish line, so I can't stop now. I don't really know where I'm headed, just enjoying the ride. Just gonna roll till I drop and ride till I die. I'm living life in the fast lane, pedal to the metal. Living life in the fast lane, pedal to the metal.
Like we do, rock on, drop bombs. Whoa, whoa, whoa. My people, I see you, hands up. Like we do, rock on, drop bombs. Whoa, whoa. This is fire, 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 fire. I ain't losing my calm, I'm used to the drama. I'm a goddamn top 10 artist, suicide bomber. You don't want no drama, baby. Let me Jay-Z the track dumb down and double the euros. Who wants trouble with Europe's golden child? Fucker, it's going down. You slept on me too, I guess you woke up now. Baby, face it, Monster Blockers got this crazy nation high like aviation. And when I speak, I'm honest, keep my promise. Take the lead and put my people on it. Cheer, my people, I see you, hands up like we do. Rock on, drop bombs. Whoa, whoa, whoa. My people, I see you, hands up like we do. Rock on, drop bombs.
Put your hands where my eyes can see, so I can feel your love. Reptile-ish beats, everybody seeing how we monster tracking. Front to back is constant clapping. That's how we ripping the tough crowd. We getting enough power to flipping the fuck out. Oh shit, it's the monster team. Oh shit, rap crow and monster queen. Style is grimy, but I make it sweet. Step out this piece if you can't take the heat. If I'm big boned or one of the skinny folks, you still like to fuck me like I was Jenny Lowe.
My people, I see you, hands up like we do. Rock on, drop bombs. Whoa, whoa. My people, I see you, hands up like we do. Rock on, drop bombs.
Holy Christ, the voice past nice. It's only right pro night gets a slice. I'm hot like I just stepped out the sauna. My hunger untamable like Willie Prada. There's nada, you can tell me about the struggle. And once I bubble, the whole world's in trouble. Salute the vet, Europe's best kept. The depth inject us back to resurrect rap. Fuck the whack who got fat off of trash. You won't respect, kiss my Croatian ass. The wrath of an outcast, so fresh, so clean. Sick, I sick as kept in quarantine.
My people, I see you,